I have gotten really spoiled flying international trips for the last 11 years, and now that I'm sitting at an airport hotel in the middle of the United States and I can't take a train to the Swiss Alps or go ride a scooter around a Greek island, I was reminded of one thing that I'm always glad I carry in my suitcase, and you're gonna want to carry it too. But first, this hotel has an awesome pool. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, this looks awesome. It's good to feel like a kid again. I always forget how tiring swimming is. Time for a soak. Oh, by the way, one thing you should always pack is a swimsuit. Have an awesome day. See you guys.